Alright, on today's video I'm going to be testing out and comparing two different goggles. One set of goggles, the Fatsharks with the Wildfire module from Foxeer that I've been using for a long time, to my most recent goggles, the Box Pros. These aren't the Box Pro Plus, so I won't be able to do the Wi-Fi or backpack, but I really don't need that stuff as far as I'm concerned. I also have the VRX module for HDZero, but right now we're just going to test the analog difference. I'm going to use the same stubby antennas on these goggles later on, but let's do a pack with them and then see how they are. I'm going to be testing it out with just a standard little Mobula 7 at 200. Okay, so this one thing with these goggles I don't really like is when you plug them in, it actually takes some time for them to boot up and go into Wi-Fi mode, because it is set as HDZero. First, when it boots up, I have to scroll down and then go into the analog. So let's put a little timer on the screen here. Once I plug it all in, plug it in, and then there's a switch on the bottom. You turn it on. So starting right now, 1. Let's see how long it takes for it to boot up into analog. Just going to plug in this drone as well. Still booting up. Okay, now the white screen is gone. Now it's going into the scanning. It's got to scan the HDZero first. Now it's done the scanning. I can scroll down to source and change it to analog. Boom. So now it's got the signal. Right, let's go take a flight. Let's see how this one reacts. Alright. So this is with the HDZero diversity analog module inside it. Let's see one antenna. I'm already looking at the beach. Can go all the way over to the tent. Can I go inside the tent? I can go inside the tent. Literally inside the tent. Don't think I've ever gotten that far into anything before. And then let's go around the front yard. Nice and low. Skimming through the branches of the weeds around the tree. Actually getting pretty good signal all the way through. It is kind of distorting a little bit, but not much. As you can see, I'm getting a little bit telemetry lost over there in that one corner. It is very next to losing connection over there, but that's pretty far. Yeah, enough to get around these trees really good. Right inside the shed. No problem inside the shed. Alright, well, inside the shed I'm stuck. Alright, now we're going to test out the Fatshark with the Wildfire module with the same antennas. Even though it only uses one antenna, I'm going to put both antennas on. It may give it a little bit of a different kind of readout because, again, this is only using one antenna. But I'm going to use both of these and they're pointing the same direction. It's kind of the same. Well, we can't. Oh yeah, we can. Okay. Let's give this a go. Same drone, same milliwatts. I didn't change to 200, or I'm still at 200, so that's what it's going to be at. But let's give this a go. Let's see what it's like. I can already tell it's not as clear. The screen is jumping around a lot. Might be because of the frame, or because of that last crash. Let's see how far we can really push this. Already getting staticky. Yep. I mean, it's doable. It's definitely not as clear. But I think there's something to be said about updated firmware, updated products that really show off its better use scenarios and everything. Let's take a look in here. Actually, that's pretty comparable. Yeah, that's pretty good. No.